Hi everyone, welcome to Ami's Minute. One of my viewers asked me that when you cook this much food, does your house smell? Especially Indian food because we always cook with the onion and garlic. So answer for that is no. So in this video, I'm going to show you different things which I do it on daily basis to make sure my house doesn't smell. So let's get started. So the first thing first is as soon as you see your garbage can is filling up, empty out immediately. I have seen many people who has the bigger garbage can, they tend to leave it for a longer time and that's where the majority smells come from. So once you see it's filled up, empty out. Second thing I do is I use the disinfectant wipes to clean it inside the garbage can. So once I take the bag out, I go ahead and clean it with the wipes. And then every single night, once I'm done cleaning the kitchen, I go ahead and clean the garbage can with the soapy water. And then I leave it overnight to let it air dry. And next morning, just put the new bag in there and it's ready to be used. Second thing is once you are done using the lemon, instead of throwing that into garbage, throw it into garbage disposal. Run some water on top of that as well as turn on the switch for the garbage disposal. So that way the blade inside will cut the lemon. Lemon will kill any germs, bacteria what's in there, as well as it's gonna smell really good. Next thing is always use the exhaust fan, especially when you are cooking with the onion, garlic, or if you're deep frying something. Just turn it on. As you can see, I do have a 2 exhaust fan here. And in case if you don't have it, you can always open the window or the door because basically we just want air to circulate and that way your house is not gonna smell at all. Next one is my most favorite, and as you can see, I do have the air vent on the floor. And these are the car freshener. Yes, these are the car freshener which you use it for your car, but I'm gonna use it inside my house. As you can see, there is a clip on the back. I'm gonna go ahead and clip that onto the vent. And every time the heater or the AC turns on, the air comes through it and my entire house will smell so good. So guys, in case if you have the younger kids, if you don't feel comfortable using the candle, you can use this and I'm sure your house will smell really good. Last but not the least, every single night once I'm done using the kitchen, I lit the candle. So any lingering smell is there, it will get rid of it. And of course, next morning it will be nice and fresh. So friends, I hope you guys have enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching. Take care and I will see you guys soon in my next video. Bye.